Good morning, everybody. I hope this is catching you all doing well. Show from the Middle Ground Mike on our Saturday quick hit news. Just a quick one of the quick topics is I'm sure a lot of people are talking about is the Supreme Court ruling where the impression is that it has ended birthright citizenship. It has not ended birthright citizenship. It has not directly addressed the president's executive order. Essentially, what it says is that the federal courts, the lower federal courts, I should say, overstepped their authority or exceeded their authority, depending on how you want to do it. So, according to some folks at different news sites, that they are expecting this to, the other parts of it could be challenged as well. I believe it says as well as that the president has to wait 30 days before he can put it in force. A lot of people are still saying it's a blatant violation of 14th Amendment. Apparently, the Supreme Court does not view it that way, which is kind of surprising, but I guess I didn't not see it coming. Another quick hit of the day is guess what? Another RFK thing I kind of talked about a little bit the other day, but ending the process of a lot of pre-authorizations taking a long time. That I've dealt with that. I know other people have. From my understanding, and I don't know how a lot of doctors' offices work. Is that generally, as long as everything's in order, it only takes like 48 hours, give or take, right now, which is not terrible. But I know there's a lot, but mistakes can be made, right? So some of it should be instantaneous, and hopefully that really helps a lot of people. We shall see. I think that it will in certain situations. So we can go from there. I do know a lot of the folks in the fired CDC vaccine panel are very upset, and they think that it's going to create a vaccine crisis. I can see where that could happen. But the one thing I would try to encourage everybody, and including those that are critical of whatever he's going to do, whether he does it or not, they should talk to their doctor about it. I mean, he literally said that in one of his hearings. I'm not your doctor. You should talk to your doctor about what's best for you. That was one of the big things about Obamacare. Keep your doctor who knows what's best for you. The government doesn't, but apparently that opinion has seemed to switch in almost 20 years. But, I would encourage you, no matter what it is, never never trust anything with just as it is and you see on the media. Kind of moving out a little bit to, I don't really talk about it too much, is Walmart is now opening what they call dark stores. So what it is, you can pay a little bit extra and you can get your items delivered to you a lot faster if you're using their delivery service. So I guess they're increasing these to help them compete with the Amazons of the world. I guess they're going to be expanding it to Charlotte, North Carolina, Atlanta, Georgia, Tampa, Florida, Houston, Texas, and Orlando, Florida. Well, of course, not up here to Detroit. Bummer. I like their delivery service. I use it sometimes. I guess down in Dallas and in Bentonville, they are also testing a drone delivery service. I don't know how I feel about that, but I guess that could be interesting if there's anybody out here who's gotten drone delivery service, delivered to them. Let me know how it was. Shoot me a message. Those are just some of the quick things. I hope everybody's being safe out there. You know, uh, we got the NFL season coming up. The Detroit Tigers are still dominating the year. As of yesterday, I believe they were still number one in all baseball. So, hey, keep it up, Detroit. Good things are happening. Hope everybody has a good weekend.